Unfortunately, I've lost about 3 days from my 7-day schedule due to a couple of things that came up. The inspection is now tomorrow, so I've got 1 day to fit everything up. I put the primered boot and bonnet on. If I do end up with some more time, I'll have a go at some top coat on them. But I have to prioritise now and start fitting up all the bits and pieces. And the first thing I want to do is put in this wiring loom. I put the biggest stuff through first, so here's the battery cable. I've never actually done a left-hand drive before, but I'm sure I'll be able to do it without resorting to a system of mirrors. That's actually it. The engine bay. This is all the rearward stuff, I think. Go through here. There's the fuse box ends up here. This is all my dashboard instrumentation and stuff. Ignition. All lives up here. Lights. Some bonus stuff. Cigarette lighter and all that type of stuff. The handiest thing now is to put in the dash. So the best, most important thing is to remember to leave that up in position, because it can't be fitted afterwards unless you disconnect all the cables. Start eliminating things now by fitting up the stalks. Okay, the ignition barrel is all stripped down. There's a light switch here as well. Won't put that on fully because I'll have to put in the dash around in a little while. Unfortunately, somebody has cut the wires to the instrument lights, probably to do a digital dash conversion or something like that, or to actually they robbed it from this loom to put a digital dash back to a standard, and because they're just snipped off. But luckily, I have one from an old car. the hazard lights and fog lights. Okay, I think this stuff must be the clock. It's a lot more civilized looking.